Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasyapi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kajing ya teli kiseng riulom, banyaman lang tang uwe kertong banyak hun, ya ke election MP, mentau senam araja kat kanda Shalok Sabah. Kadai kajing angno jung pai nong snong karilom kasih bat jantia, mentala bon senam. Kumta kani kajing ya teli kadlong kadak jung kajing job jung kertong keseng United Democratic Party u Dr. Jamino Mautho u balaya man lang ban penyang bai tang uwe kertong na kekenhon Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kekenhon kebaya trelang hapreng keseng National People's Party ke United Democratic Party ke Hill State People's Democratic Party bat ke People's Democratic Front. Ha kajing lang pai ba bala pelong na kekenhon Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ha madan polo Shillong ha ka artarik mentau benaya yong arjakat khandai kombasan hajar ngot ki pai ba na keleng karilom kasi jantia kilawan ban sngap ya kajing kran jong kinong ilam jong kiseng ba per ki badan ha kani kekenhon kontopro ya ki MLA klemseng ha kani kasengi watlau National President jong ka National People's Party u bolong ro unong ilam jong sarkar MDA kumu menteri rangba kejela u konrat ke sama watlau don cerilom garo ban let yalap election na kabenta ka para jong uka agat ha sangma hanre ulawan be ya kini kejing lang kebalalong hasilong ha ka ulawan ban be da keleng sun helikopter.
My friends, you all know why we are gathered here today. On the 11th of April, we will be electing our Member of Parliament. There are 5 candidates who are contesting. And you must elect one of these 5 candidates to be the MP of Shillong. My friends, today you can see that on stage we have a galaxy of leaders who are present out here. We have a number of political parties who are sitting here today. We have MLAs from different political parties. We have MDCs from different political parties. These political parties fought against each other in the MLA election. These parties fought against each other in the MDC election. But yet, today we are all sitting here together. And this is a very strong message to the entire state. And our message is very clear. That when it comes to fighting for our people, when it comes to representing our people, when it comes to put our people ahead, we as leaders and political parties will be mature and we will unite in one voice to ensure that our people are protected, that our region is protected, that our state is protected. That is the message that we want to give the entire state and all the people in our state and in the region, that we are united. We will always fight when it comes for the rights of our people. And that is the message that we want to give to the entire state and the entire region of Northeast. My friends, this MDA government has been in power and been in governance for the past 1 year. Whenever I meet my MLAs and my cabinet colleagues, I remind them that being in power, being a minister or being a chief minister is not a privilege. We must not take pride or be proud about the fact that we are ministers or that we are part of the government. Instead, being in the government must be looked at as an opportunity that Almighty God has given us to make a difference in our people's lives. We must realize that it's an opportunity for us. We must realize that we need to be humble. We need to realize that every day matters. And there should not be a single day when we forget the difficulties that our people face. And we must remind each one of us every day why we are here. What is the purpose of we sitting here and being in the cabinet and being in the government? We must remind ourselves. And it is with this spirit and with this vision and idea that we have been moving forward. My friends, this past 1 year has been full of challenges for us. We have faced a number of difficulties. A lot of problems came in front of us. Yet, we stood as a team. We stood shoulder to shoulder, just like any team should. We were always there to support each other. There is nobody who is above the others. We are all equal in this government. And that is how we moved forward. And that is the spirit of coalition that we're taking forward. We are working in a very positive way. And our coalition government, we don't discriminate on the basis of political party or region or tribe or religion. We are a coalition that always looks at every single citizen as ours. Yes, in election when we fight, we look at everybody and say, this is Congress, he is UDP, this person is NPP. That is election. But when we are a government, the government is for all. Whether you're a Congress person, you're a UDP person, you're an NPP, PDF person, you are a citizen of this state. And it is the responsibility of the government to always work for every single citizen of the state, irrespective of political affiliation, irrespective of region, irrespective of tribe, irrespective of political affiliation. So that is the way, my friends, this government is working. And that is why there is a large sense of unity and positiveness in this government. Today is another example of this unity. I know there were many people in the NPP, many people in the PDF questioning me, why aren't you putting an NPP party candidate? My workers and my leaders questioned me. And I told them that even if Dr. Jamina Mato is the candidate which has been sponsored by the UDP in the drum symbol, he is the candidate of the government. He is the candidate of the Chief Minister. He is the candidate of our government, and therefore it is the responsibility of every single worker, every single leader of the NPP to ensure that Dr. Jamina Mato wins with a thumping majority in this coming election. And that is my request. And I urge each and every member of all the political parties in our coalition that let us not look at our differences in the past that we had. Politics, we will always have different situations and we might disagree on many things. But yet there are moments in time when we might disagree in the past, but there are situations when we must unite and come together. And this is one of those moments where we must unite, my friends. And it is not about the political party. It is not about who the local MLA or the local MDC is or who your candidate was. It is about the people of our state. It is about the cause that we are here for. And we are all, as I said, working here to take our state forward. This is one of those moments when we must forget the past and we must unite and work together to ensure that Dr. Jamina Mato wins in this coming election. I am very hopeful that in this coming election, all the people will combine, whether it's UDP, whether it's NPP, whether it's PDF, HSPDP, independents, and all the political parties that are here today. I am sure that not just the leaders, but the voters also at the grassroots, we will combine, we will come together, and we will win with a thumping majority. This election, as I said, is truly going to be an historic election. The whole region and most probably the country is watching. That what are the voters of Jente Hills and Khasi Hills going to do in this election? I know that the people of Jente Hills and Khasi Hills know the importance of protecting their identity. I know that the people of Jente Hills and Khasi Hills know the importance of ensuring that the future of their children is protected. And I know that we will be combined in this election and we will ensure that Dr. Jamina Mato wins. So therefore, my friends, with these few words, I once again thank all of you for coming to this meeting. I thank all of you for all the support that you have given Dr. Jamina Mato in this past few days. There is only a week left. I request all of you to now continue the struggle, continue the hard work that you've started, and ensure that every single vote of the PDF, of the HSPDP, of the independents, of the NPP and the UDP must not be lost. Every vote must go towards Dr. Jamina Mato in the symbol of the drum, which is a UDP symbol.
Ngasaw bangilong ibandon bok hadu kata-kata bagini ki riu rang ba kila syem ya kene karai rang ba ban penyang yau kandidat ya mon lang ngani tho ya pi ngayang hang ni hak jing sisa ngamlong ruem hakmat jong pi ladam dai na kini ki riu rang ba kinong elam ba kinong kersan jong kini ki saul tu ki parti ngamlakan banyang hakmat jong pi hakane ka por banyalap yakane ka election hakabai day bat kane ka MP Lok Sabha 8000 kat khandai bangas pau pen pau ya kajing skongo kajing sko burom yu play ubla play yakane ka lat kalenti bangan pen pau ya kajing skongo kajing sko burom yakane ki rangba kibadon kata kajing i jingai na kamanta kalawe jong kari ke jaj penriu ke jongi bat nas kau dan bok sibun bahak ni ke kenti ke bamanta ngan yo ken ban yang akmat jong pi ban ong bahak ni ke kenti ke bamanta kini kinong yalam kila jit ken yanga ban mi kmat hang tai ha darbar ba ha Delhi ha parliament ban long kasul jong upat ba jong kani ke jela ka bait ke jongi bat jong kani ke jaj banriu ke jongi dang hakini ki khendiat tayo nilayo ya ke jingjit ya ki nong mikmat syakini ki artli ki district council bat ke ai ka banga sotanat kalong bahakini ki artli ki district council ru nilayo bantau ya kita ki executive committee ki baskem hapo kalama jong ka United Democratic Alliance ilayo ken menta ya ka sarkar ka baskem kani ka sarkar MDA ban ilayo ya kini ki executive committee ki baskem hakini ki artli ki district council habang ipai sigi por ki balalen no kum ki pajba teng teng isko benyao habang ipet ya ke jinglong jong kinong elam ki jongi bad habang ipai kmat kam tam syakini ki artli ki district council ngiju yi ba kini ki MDC men step ki don hakawai ke parti janmet ki don hakawai ke parti lashai ki ladon hakawai ke parti bad habang ipet ya ke jing khni syuki ya ke jing thau ya kita ki executive committee RCN Lycien tang hak sistem haban penkela ya kita ki executive committee badai nak kena kadau iba HS celah usiem balaleno ikren benyau yang balai ba kini ki bil ki belapas nak yang ke district council mlaken ban pentulun ya kini chakmat kadau ba dausan kalong bomdon ke jingiteli jong kini ki MDC hakini ki artli ki district council bandon kata kajing trailang hapdang ke district council bat ke jela Meghalaya bat kani ke sarkar jela bat dena kani ke daw kita ki bil bat ki an nak ban pentulun sakmat namar bakam don kata kajing trailang bat nakaliang jong ulat jong ke jelaru umla ban ai ya kajing manjur bat kajing kubur Dian reh abang ipai pat sakani ka sarkar MDA menta. Hakabaila don lang. Kini ki parti ki baper ki ba mikmat na kini ki parti reunum. Iya kajing yatli na kalyang kajongki. Banilai ya kani kajing traikam na kalyang jong kani ka sarkar MDA menta la sisnem. Sisnem kenti menta. Kani ka sarkar MDA kala traikam ha kani ka jela ka jongi badlada pipule ya ka report card Ya ka kam ka ba kani ka sarkar MDA kalale ha kani ka sistem kilalong kibabon hadu kata-kata bat kiba krawru hadu kata-kata hoy ngamla banong ba kani ka sarkar kalalelut ya kita ki kiba upat ba nong song snong jong kani kari ka bait ka jongi ki ang not tien re habangi phai sikipor ki balalet no naka liang jo ka seng kongres kabla sensyar bon telikisnem ya kane ke jela ka jongi nilai ye iken ya ka jinglong ka jingman ka jing hier arsut ha ka baidai ba ka sensyar ka khadar ka jongi ha ka baidai ba ka roi ka par ka jongi ha ka baidai ba ka yo ka kot ka jongi ha ka baidai ba ka jingbam shong sup shong sngan ha kane ke jela ka jongi ban menta kani ka sarkar MDA kasdangken ban persyang ban lao ya kita kijing sokerdot kiba ka sarkar kongres hakipor kipala ledno kilale hakitu kipor kipala ledno ban ngilai iya kani ka kam ka barang ba ratba nakaliang jong kani ka sarkar ban habang iya kani kijing scam jong kini kinong yalam kibadon hakani ka sarkar MDA bat kajing scam menta jong kini ki artili ki executive committee ka district council ngakwa ban ong ipi padba haka baidai bat kani ka MP election menta ngaru ngayang haka ju kanong rim jong kajing etili bat kajing long scam jong ka MDA bat kini ki artili ki district council kani kadai ka baki padba hakani ka ri ka bait ka chongi ki kwa unity and stability namar bangi tip ba dalang imyo ya ka sarkar ka baskem bon ki kinumlong ki bayat bet ya renti hakani ka jela ka bait ka chongi jementang la yo ya ka sarkar ka baskem baladang yo ya ka sarkar ka baskem balada nakaliang ka jopi menta pi penjob don burom saya kini ki argot ki MP way bami kmat nakane ka Shillong parliamentary seat way bami kmat nang tay natura parliamentary seat nginyo sa argot ki MP bat habang iyo ya ka job sa argot ki MP ngin sa iyo sa way pad UMP uban mi kmat siya ka Raja Sabha lanang iyo laingot ki MP ka sarkar MDA ka baskem ki district council ki executive committee ki baskem nganya thu ipi padba pensei iya ka jingkelador jong kane ka jela ka bait ka jongi pensei iya ka jingkelador jong kane ka jela ka bait ka jongi ni menta ngila persyang banwanra abyang sesisin ya kane ka jingeteli bat kum mangalaong mentan kamdai ka besuk bakin ni ki parti ki paper ki badan lala ka jong kanong rim bakin niya buno ay kita syarut banong mahakan ni ka kenti ka pamanta ngin niya long kaway ngin niya try lang ngin niya try rengkat ban kentiyo ya kani ka jela ka bait ka jongi syaki kerdan ki bakham shalor ban kentiyo ya karkom im jong ki padba hakan ni ka ri ka bait ka jongi hendrai habang isngap nakaliang jong kini ki bapersya ya kani ka jingeteli kamtam nakaliang jong ka party kongres kiong kumno kinong yalam nakaliang ka seng kongres kiong maka jingyakon menta haka baidai bat ka MP election kadai hapeng ka kongres bat ka UDP ngani tu ipi padba kani kalong ka babakla hado kata-kata kajing yakun menta kamdai hapreng ka kongres pat ka UDP kajing yakun menta kadai hapreng ka kongres bat u candidate yamon lang jong kani ka sarkar MDA bat ka symbol kadai ka bom tilana nakaliang jong kini kinong ilam jong seng kongres kibanang kumno ban berbi ban kren daki ktien kibam ya hap satya di propaganda kumbapitip nakaliang jong ka kongres kilong kiba expert hado kata-kata Dengan kuah AP Padba nginum ailat ya kan dia keseng kongres mentah bakin persya ya kan dia kejingnya teli jongi kum kejat benrio ngilayo ya kan dia kejingnya teli mentah bengi kuaru benyo ya kan dia kejing job hakan dia kejing mentah batkum mengeloong lada PI yang badia agata sangma nang te Nagaro Hills benyo ya kejing job ke badan burom pin sei bakan don kejing keladur hakan dia kejela ke bai ke jongi kene ke MP election ngani thoi pi kalong ru ke bakongsan hadu kata-kata ban ngani thoi pi hakan ke jingelop election mentah haka bai dei ban kene ke MP Lok Sabha ngatrai pinumi ikot bangin ya don kum kini ke jingelang kat sabingilet syaki constituency ke baper ki jingelang Padba ki babon bar ki Padba ki dap ha kini ke jingelang Hale haki por ke balalen no ngimju khamya sko bagi Padba kinwan sha kini ki jingilang hakabai dei bat ke MP election bat bon ki Padba le ki ong mdan jingmut ken ban thep ya kata ka vote kham tam sekithan nong gendong hakabai dei bat kene ke MP election hande nga kwa banong ipi Padba ki election baro la ka dei ke MDC la ka dei ke MLA la kadai ke MP kini ki election baro kilong ke badan kam haduk kata-kata ngidon ki local issues ngidon ki state issues ngidon ru ki national issues ban ngidon kam ken kumla peni nuksa na kaliang jok kini ki nongelam hakani ke sarkar MDA bangidon kam ya ke jingi trailang ngidon kam ya ke jingi skotho jingmut lang ngidon kam ban ya buram markaliang kenang ba kita ki an kita ki bil ki bangin say kanlong nakabanta ka jing mentoy jong Padba hakan ni kari ka bait ka jongi
ku Padba kari dang yok por ya mati kasen syar Padba di jing lalut kari dakas at the kading lamprang ban pen yok happy ka hok ba kentang ku Padba kari tumi na rumpe ka shivot jong pi wat pen shule ai pendam kamyaka wat pen le no ai karai ka jong pi kan senduria lawe pendam kamyaka wat pen le no ai karai ka jong pi kan senduria lawe ka hok ka jong pi ka de ka hok ten rai kam korea ka wa lam kam korea uspai wati tat ya ka la de bon ki nam tam hen rei jing shim ben ta ka long ba don kam ku Padba kari tumi na rumpe na shivut jong pi wat pen shule ai pendan kamyaka wat pen le no ai karai ka jong pi kan senduria lawe pendan kamyaka wat pen le no ai karai ka jong pi kan senduria lawe